Hello kids, welcome on my channel Aqsa Art for Kids. Welcome now kids.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The wheels on the bus. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The wheels on the bus. Yeah! The wheels on the bus. Yeah! The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The wheels on the bus. Yeah! People on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down, all through the town.
Here we go. We have a very big job to do today, so let us get started moving all of this dirt to the other side. I am going so fast right now. Look at how quickly I am moving across the screen. This is absolutely the greatest speed I have ever traveled at. Way faster than you, so try to keep up if you can, because I am going to